Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Did you know that in Home Depot, you can find items for just 1 penny? But only if you know where to look. So, in this video, I am going to teach you on how to find penny items at Home Depot. Without further ado, let's begin. First off, what is a penny item? These are usually discontinued or clearance products that have dropped way below their original price, sometimes to $0.01. They're not meant to be sold, but they're still in the system. So, where should we look? Start in the clearance sections, usually at the end of aisles or back of departments. But don't stop there. Walk around the store and look for lonely items that does not seem to belong. A random grill cover, a single faucet, an old box of flooring. Now, here's a trick. If the price ends in $0.06, that item is on final markdown. If it ends on $0.03, it's about to be removed from the shelves. That's your signal. Download the Home Depot app and scan barcodes. If you see $0.1 or item unavailable, jackpot. It might be a penny item hiding in plain sight. So what do you do at checkout? If the item rings up $0.01, act normal and check out. So what is the best time to check? Early mornings on weekdays, especially after new product resets, holidays, or season changes, is when the old stuff slips through the cracks. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!